Imagine uncovering an artifact that has been hidden for thousands of years, a direct link to ancient civilizations. It is a moment of pure wonder, but what happens next? How do we ensure these precious discoveries, often fragile from millennia underground, survive for generations to come? Museums are absolutely vital in preserving archaeological cultural heritage. They act as dedicated guardians, employing a multifaceted approach that combines scientific conservation, meticulous documentation, and ethical stewardship to ensure the long-term survival and accessibility of these irreplaceable objects. The core reason this preservation is so complex lies in the very nature of archaeological finds. Artifacts are not simply old objects. They are often incredibly delicate, having survived centuries or even millennia in specific burial environments. Once excavated, they are exposed to new conditions like oxygen, light, and humidity, which can accelerate their degradation. Different materials, such as organic wood, brittle ceramics, corroded metals, or textiles, each requiring highly specialized knowledge and techniques to stabilize them, prevent further decay, and understand their unique vulnerabilities. Therefore, museums implement rigorous environmental controls. This means carefully regulating temperature, humidity, and light levels within storage facilities and exhibition spaces to mimic stable conditions and slow down deterioration. They also use specialized, inert storage materials and custom supports that do not react with or damage the artifacts. Beyond physical stabilization, extensive documentation through detailed photography, three-dimensional scanning, and comprehensive written records ensures that every detail of an object's condition and history is captured. One fascinating aspect of modern museum conservation is the principle of reversibility. Conservators strive for treatments that can be undone in the future without damaging the artifact, allowing for new techniques or updated ethical considerations. This reflects a deep respect for the object's original state and its potential for future study. For example, a conservation scientist might stabilize a corroded iron object using a vacuum reduction process, a method carefully chosen for its effectiveness and reversibility. Ultimately, museums safeguard our shared human story. By meticulously preserving archaeological cultural heritage through scientific rigor, careful environmental management, and ethical decision-making, they ensure that these silent witnesses to the past remains available for research, education, and inspiration, bridging the gap between ancient worlds and our present understanding.